We got Tesla Model X in today. So what we're doing is we're taking the front two windows and the front windshield. A lot of people normally do this if they have SUVs and they just want to kind of match the back. Keep in mind, guys, if you have an SUV and you don't want to do the back windows, that's fine. But just know that your back windows aren't actually blocking any heat. It's just darker from factory. If you had to have any female voice, who would it be?
Female voice? Probably Dolly Parton or like Kelly Clarkson or something stupid.
No! Oh! Oh!
That was nerve-wracking.
What are you talking about?
Landing in Blvd.
Where's Blvd?
Blvd is in Iraq. You can hear gunfire right off the bat, right when you get off the plane. We were given our ammo right then, and I got like half a clip, and no body armor, no Kevlar. No. Seriously? I had a Kevlar helmet, but you were probably just like in my flak jacket there was no. And that went on for like 6-7 months.
How long did it take you to kind of, or did you ever like get over that fear?
Pretty much a fuck it at the beginning.
Alright, so that's what it looks like outside. As you can see, the fronts are a little bit lighter than the back. So that's good enough for you. Then definitely go for the 30% in the front, and you can keep the back as is. We got done with a couple of our projects early today. Let's do an oil change and tire rotation on Tyler's Raptor. So if you have a Raptor that you guys need to do an oil change or tire rotation on, so here's a really bad DIY guide.
Hey!
Worst DIY guide ever.
Oh my gosh, this is the longest dipstick in the world. Alright, now where the fuck, is this the oil?
Yeah.
It is?
Okay, what happens is this gets hit unless you can put a funnel right there.
Don't record me asking Dustin.
Alright, so we got the little oil capture can thingy.
Oh my gosh, this is so tight.
Yes.
There. Thanks. Good job, Tyler. Kept it all in the toilet bowl, like a big boy.
Cool. Alright, so we're putting the drain plug back in.
Tight.
Did you get it out?
It's about to start dripping everywhere. Yeah, and it runs through this little thing right here. Look at Ford. Look at that. I was gonna cut it off because it looks kind of whack with this bumper.
Did you know what that was for, though?
Yeah, I figured. What is this? What the hell is Pronto? Thought I paid for an OEM one.
Now to put in the oil.
Is that the oil fill? Where's the oil fill? Ah! Get a good shot of that right there. Excuse me. Factory 5W20, so I assume this would be factory. What kind of twirly-durly, gnurly-purly is this? What? Oh my gosh, this is the longest dipstick in the world. Oh, it's so floppy. It's in between the two lines, which means it's full.
So oil change is done. Now we're gonna be doing a tire rotation and a balance.
Oh!
So now that we're on the tire rotation part, it's always good to do a balance check on your tires if you can. However, of course, if you're doing this in your home, then you really can't do that. So if you want to skip the step, you can, but
More crucial on off-road setups.
otherwise, you can always go to a local tire shop and have them do the balancing and the rotation for you. Not that you can just do the rotation yourself. Or you buy one of these nifty machines and do it at home. How cool would that be?
Yeah, it's only like 30 grand.
Few inches later.
Alright, so we're done with the Raptor, and well, I guess it looks the same because we didn't change anything. But now it's rotated, and there's new oil, so we're good. Hopefully you find that somewhat useful or helpful. Thanks for watching. If you want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.